This is a quick tutorial for new drivers who are thinking about joining Shipt, Target's delivery company. I've been working with them for a little while now, so I wanted to show new drivers how to load your car up so they're easier to find the packages. So when you load your packages, you want to face your stickers upwards or outwards, not upside down, upwards or outwards, so they're easier to find. You'll find it's an organized chaos, but don't let it overwhelm you. Just make sure to arrange your stuff so your stickers are easier to see. Around the holidays, it gets to be pretty crazy, so organization is important. I like putting my soft packs in the front. I also utilize a jackery for extra power for when the app drains my phone. I have an old phone, so having one is important. Drivers usually drive the sedans, small SUVs, large SUVs, or even the big delivery vans. So have your pick. Also get your yellow vest and some comfortable shoes because that's important. As far as your first day, hopefully you don't get rain on your first day. I got rain on my first day and it was so crazy. Oh, I almost quit. So I found myself a gas station, pulled underneath the cover, and reorganized my packages so they're easier to locate. I did have some upside down ones, so I had to reorganize it. But everything went well. So also don't be afraid to find a toilet if you need one. I like to put the packages in front of the door only whenever the customers are home. So that way a porch pirate doesn't drive by and quickly snatch it up. They also have notes for when they don't want you to ring the doorbell, so pay attention to the notes inside the app. I usually put the packages either on a designated table the customer has on their porch or behind the post so it's harder to see from the road. They appreciate that. Make sure to also get your proof of delivery before you drive away. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please like and subscribe.